Hi everybody, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my makeup collection. I'm on my phone here. I haven't posted in a while because I got a tattoo here, as you can see, and I had was really busy over the holidays, and I was just really busy. I just needed a break from making videos, and I'm back now. And Lauren, like from my last video, you won the Thirsty palette and the stickers. Please message me. I'll have my info down below here. And also I'm doing another giveaway here. I'm giving away the Supreme Frost Candy Apple Drip and the Lippy First Class here from Jeffree Star. So if you want to win these in this video, just put a comment below, like this video, and be subscribed. Let's start with my makeup collection. Like, I have a caboodle here I got on eBay. I have all kinds of like makeup I have organized. Here's my eyeliners over here. I have the primers. I have like the eyebrow pencils here, like eyeliner pencils and lip pencils from Jeffree Star here. I got my concealers here. I love the Tarte Shape Tape, and I have a lot of mascaras. I just got the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home. And I got some eyeliners. There's my foundation here. I love this Tarte Amazonian clay here. Some like brow things I never use. I'm trying to use up brow powders. I hate brow powders. Some powders here. And over here's my makeup brushes. And there's my setting spray. Of course, the Jeffree Star Piggy Mirror. Here's a lipstick I'm using today. Saint. I just got this collection, Saint and Sinner. Like Kat Von D stuff is all on sale, so I got a lot of that. And here's some more down here. I have a few makeup bags here. A couple of them are empty, like I use for traveling. The little piggy one. And this one's empty too. And I use this one. I have a lot of makeup in here. Got the Shade and Light palette. This is like really good for contouring and highlighting. See, I've used it a lot. And I love the Metal Matte palette here too from Kat Von D. And there's the Modern Renaissance palette. There's the Ball Your Hand, that one's really good too. I have another one of these all-nighter powders. I got those on a deal at Ulta. And this is BH Cosmetics Wild and Free. This is vegan. Really like the little shimmers here. And I have Mehron, M-E-H-R-O-N. This is really good theatrical makeup. If I want to do like a really cool look, like when I did like the Day of the Dead and Sugar Skulls, I used this. And when I did like David Bowie, Ziggy Stardust, use this too. This is really good for like, if you want to like paint your face, it really lasts, and you can get really precise with it. I also got the Androgyny palette here, Jeffree Star. And Lorac Pro, the pancake, the brunch palette. Beauties Who Brunch. I do not like this. There's like no pigment on it. It's really pastel and bright and like really faded. I did not get much color payoff, so I don't use that. The Electric palette, I love this one. Really bright, if you want to like super bright like club look here. And see, I use the purple. I love purple. And this is like one of the first palettes I ever got, is the Urban Decay Smoked palette. See, it's gotten a lot of love. I like repanned and like repressed a few of them that kind of broke, try to salvage it. This is like the first palette I ever got. A little cracked here, I don't know what happened. And there's some more over here. Of course, I got the Conspiracy and Controversy palettes down here. Conspiracy from Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson. Put that in here. Some more Jeffree Star down here. The 24 karat like highlighter palette. And then I have a lot of Too Faced with that chocolate bonbon here. Chocolate gold. Also got the gingerbread palette, gingerbread spice, the Too Faced semi-sweet chocolate bar palette, the Too Faced collab with his dog, Clover, Too Faced Clover palette. There's my Thirsty palette here. They're not selling it anymore. I don't have the Alien palette. I'm not like a big fan of all the colors. They have like a bunch of purples and greens already. So that's all down here. We're gonna go back to my vanity now. I also have some makeup in the drawers here. Got the Lorac Pearl Pirates of the Caribbean palette here. The whole collection. Came with a little eye pencil and like on the side here, and with the highlighters over here on the side too. Little secret compartment here. And I got some fake eyelashes in here, sponges. Also got some more in this drawer over here. The Frida Kahlo 10. Came with the brushes. Hello Kitty makeup bag too. And some face lace. There's H.R. Giger Alien. Nails. Sponges. Another palette in here. Mark. It's like kind of the swirly palette. I forget about it because it's in the drawer. It has these like cool patterns, like really sparkly, like this marble texture. Pretty cool. There's our lippies here and like the lipstick holder. I got that like on a special during his mystery boxes. It's awesome. It got damaged in the back here, like it was damaged in shipping, but it's in the backs and I think it's sold out, so I didn't want to deal with that and like just get my money back because they couldn't send me a replacement. I got my highlighters here, the liquid frost, the blue ones. There's the pink ones over here. Some perfumes, oils, the Jeffree Star concealer, like the white, and the color corrector, a few perfumes. There's some palettes in here. I have the mini breaker here and the jawbreaker. I have a lot of Jeffree Star, as you can see. And here's the peppermint frost, the little one. It was in the Christmas mystery boxes. And there's my Blue Blood palette. And blood sugar. The blood sugar palette. And I have some Hello Kitty ones that I use. I need to put those away. Here's the Christmas cookie collection from Too Faced. Christmas cookie house. It's all magnetic. It's all together here. And here's my, I love this one, the Saint and Sinner palette from Kat Von D. I love the packaging on this one. It's really nice. I use this one a lot. I used this last night when I went out to Austin. It's another reason I haven't been posting videos. I've gone to Austin driving like 3 times this month. I just got this one, the Saint and Sinner collection. The lipsticks over there I just showed you. Here's the Sinner one. It's like a purple. It comes with 2 of the perfumes. It's really nice. I like the Sinner perfume here. The Sinner lipstick. It's like this plummy purple color. It's really pretty. And here's the Piggy Jeffree Star Shane Dawson lip collection. All of his lippies in here. That was so hard to get all of it, but I managed to get everything that I wanted. I love the packaging, fake faux vegan leather here. Here's my ColourPop Hello Kitty collaboration here. Came with highlighters, a few eyeshadows, and a couple of lip glosses. The lip glosses are terrible. They get like all over your teeth. It's impossible to like keep it under control. Here's the Frida Kahlo Ulta collection. Here's like a brush cleaner, and here's the palette here opened up. These colors are really nice, earthy colors. And here's another collection from Too Faced, Snow Girl. I already did a video doing a look and an unboxing here. It's super cute. Little snow girl. And there's my stickers. So just remember, Lauren, I have stickers and the Thirsty palette. I'm going to have my email below. Please email me so I could send this off to you. And here is the makeup bag that came with the Frida Kahlo collection. It's empty. Use it for traveling. Got this too, the collaboration, the holiday Too Faced gingerbread. It came with a bronzer and a lipstick and a mascara in it. And I have over here the Twin Stars Sugar Pill collection. It came with a little makeup bag. And here's the little palette inside, how it looks. I don't use this so often because it's really hard to make a look with these colors. Also came with 2 lippies, super cute packaging. I use those sometimes. And I got the makeup bag from Jeffree Star, the brushes, and Jeffree Star, all of the red lips, the collection, and the blue blooded lippy collection too here. Oh, there's one missing. I gave it out to somebody. I have all my makeup kind of organized here too in these Jeffree Star makeup bags. They're like eyelashes and like sticker decals, like for a look. Pusheen headbands here, super cute. And over here, got all my bronzers and highlighters. There's lavender snow. Some kind of random stuff here. There's more highlighters. There's my caramel kiss. Another bronzer here. That's what came in this little pouch here. Like gingerbread tan bronzer. Over here I got more highlighters and blush. It's a Patrick Star blush I use a lot. It's like a matte, subtle blush. Highlighter is eyeball. Use that in one of my tutorials. More highlighters. Onyx Ice. I love this for like a black, like contour gothic look. Deep Freeze. All sorts of Jeffree Star highlighters. Nefri, I like that one a lot. Pink. And oh my gosh, I love this. Look my Glit, the Extreme Floss is like so blinding, the highlighter. This one I'm doing the giveaway, Candy Apple Drip. Be sure you leave a comment and you could win that along with the First Class Lippy. Don't forget. These are all my miscellaneous lippies. Gingerbread here. This is Tarte. It smells like chocolate, of course. Just like miscellaneous brand. There's Cinnamon Bear, some Color Pop. I have all kinds here. Dior, it's like a black one. It's a really good one. Patrick Star here. I feel Kat Von D, a little mini one. It's like a blue sparkly one. It's Wet n Wild. Like I have like Jeffree Star all-in-one too, like over here. I have the rest of the Jeffree Star in here. The Shane Dawson gloss. This is just Jeffree Star gloss. And Ice Cold. It's an Ice Cold here. And got the lip ammos in here. Jeffree's Girl. Here it is. I love this one too. It's Breakfast at Tiffany's. Yummy. It's like the purple sparkly one. Green. Just a lot of the Jeffree Star lippies that don't fit on here. And I also just got this Thinner perfume. I love this bottle. It's beautiful. It's very gothic and chic. And it also came with a little mini Thinner travel perfume here. I have a lot of these like travel perfumes. Also have Fenty foundation. I hardly ever use this. As you can see, it's like too thick and it's really drying. Some of my fake lashes here. It's about all of it for my makeup here. You can see. Check out the whole like full scale thing. I've collected a lot. Like I can't believe like how it's grown. Like just unexpectedly. I did not plan to have so much makeup. It's like really hard to use it all. Like trying to use all of the eyeshadow. Yeah, I still have like Too Faced I've gotten years and years ago that I have not used. The electric palette. All of this here. And all my brushes. I definitely don't need any brushes or setting spray. So it's all my makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my content. If you do, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I'm not sure when I'll be doing another video. I'll try to do another look soon. So I hope you have a great day and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget, Lauren, message me for your palette and your stickers and enter the contest for the Supreme Frost Candy Apple Drip and the First Class lipstick. You could be the lucky winner. You never know. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day and a great weekend. Love you, my little darklings. Bye. Bye.